Costa Rica!
Be scared.
Wait, what are the chances of this?
I know.
How much is this?
I don't know.
Costa Rican colones.
I'm not really sure.
The thing is that.
That's the thing, in case you're wondering.
Oh, it looks so cute. Yes. We're on basic economy.
Explain in case they don't know what that means.
Yeah. Just in case you don't know what it means to be a peasant.
Down under the airplane.
Can't carry on. It has to go as a check-in, and we have to pay for it. So it's a lose-lose.
And I'm with a celebrity, you know?
And I brought the drone. First time traveling with it. I crashed it 3 days ago on my trial run. So this is gonna be interesting.
Turn around and need you more.
No, you have to commit to it though. Like a cappella this. You won't. Stop wasting time. No, louder. You suck.
Here. Got my nails done.
Stand clear. The train is arriving shortly.
Hate his act. You have to be careful, your shell. Your shell.
No back.
What happened?
Ceviche. Ceviche.
It opened.
Oh, gross.
Oh, look at that juicer. Man down. Give her the bag for 1 second. She had one job.
This was your responsibility.
Fuego, though. Had her mix the ají amarillo and all that stuff.
Yeah, no, it was on purpose. Oh no, I think it's out of the sauce.
Look what I can do.
So, it's not aesthetically pleasing, but it's
delicious.
Come on!
Don't trip. I was trying to be as steady as possible.
You're like...
Yeah, I was like, look, I was like this. Drea, look at me. Help. We made it.
Our boarding pass.
A little, yeah.
It doesn't even have my name on it.
One of those little ones over there.
Oh my god, it is super small.
Yeah, I told you.
Wow. MTV, welcome to our crib. Honey! So, this is our tent for the weekend. Glamping at its finest. We got a yoga mat over here, a fan, thank the Lord. And then we have a little bed with a mosquito net around it. And this is our tent.
I'm gonna be a surfer pro by the end of this.
What fan you did?
Oh, no.
Mom, I'm sweating. Oh, we should take pictures of the Toyota.
And
Spider City. Patty. Oh, there's already a skeeter in here.
That's not a skeeter.
Well, I still don't want it in
It's
here.
a bug.
Yeah, you're really gonna do something sitting down, Patty.
There she is.
There we go.
There goes that ish.
Yeah.
We got our bathrooms, toilets, showers, literally in the middle of the jungle. Right?
Yoga. Right.
Tarzan.
Very right.
Very right. So that's where we have breakfast and dinner. The kitchen.
This one there? Okay, perfect. Okay.
Some hula hoops.
So, we get back. There's a spider. That big. Huge. It was a baby dinosaur. Huge. Baby dinosaur.
I don't bugs with spiders.
We killed the spider.
I tried to.
Oh, he went in the little hole.
The counselor said that
A scorpion fell in his
dropped
bed.
and fell on top of him on his bed.
So good times.
That's not happening.
Looking forward to that.
Not.
So we're eating our feelings. And
I'm scared for
we'll update on bedtime. We out.
Stop!
The flying things freak me out. Where is it? Just kill him and then we'll swipe him out. Kill him and we'll swipe him out. So, we had dinner. We had to dance in front of everyone.
I hate being put on the spot.
We're gonna see if we can make it through. These bugs are real. If it wasn't for the bugs, it'd be fine, but these bugs are real. So hopefully we make it. Doubled the mosquito net over here.
Oh god.
So day 3. Surf day yesterday, as you can tell from sunburn. Treesy. Trying to set up something over here. We're gonna go see turtles today. Pirate Bay. Spending the night there, so that should be fun. Don't know where, on the ground somewhere.
No, we're bringing tents.
We're bringing tents, that's right. And yeah, I'm getting bit everywhere by bugs, but I'm digging it. Look at this. It's everywhere.
Trying to get a shot for the gram.
So, keep you guys updated on our adventures.
Changing 101. Rookie. We're putting up our tents. Well,
They are.
They are. And we're gonna be camping at Pirates Bay for the night.
Made it through the night. There was like 8 people in there.
We didn't get to see turtles.
Didn't get to see turtles. That was a fail.
Turtles?
But we did climb that rock over there. The way down. You can imagine.
Yeah.
It was like climbing at a 90-degree angle. So there was that. But what about what?
A fresh sled.
A sled.
Mm.